If you have lentils, rice and onions, you already have the foundation of one of Lebanon's most comforting meals, Mujadara. It's easy to prepare, naturally vegan and built around inexpensive pantry staples. But those crispy fried onions make it taste like much more than a budget meal. Welcome back to Nomadic Treats, where we bring the world into your kitchen. Today we're heading to Lebanon. If you want to follow along, all the ingredients are in the description below. Start by rinsing 1 cup of basmati rice several times until the water runs mostly clear. This removes some of the excess surface starch and helps the grain remain light and separate. Cover the rice with water and add a little bit of salt and leave it to soak while we prepare the lentils. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of dried brown or green lentils. Both varieties work well because they hold their shape during cooking. Heat some water in a pot, rinse the lentils and add them to the hot water. Also add half teaspoon of ground cumin, which gives the lentils a subtle earthy flavor. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover the pot and allow the lentils to simmer gently. Begin checking them after approximately 15 minutes. They should be almost cooked but still have little firmness. We don't want them to be completely soft at this stage because they will continue cooking with the rice later. Now, while the lentils are simmering, dice 1 medium onion. Once the lentils are ready, drain them and set them aside. Also drain the soaked rice separately so that both are ready when we begin assembling the dish. Add enough olive oil to coat the bottom of the pot and place it over medium heat. Then add the diced onion and cook it until it becomes translucent and start turning gold. Now to the secret ingredient. Add 1 vegetable bouillon cube to the onions and stir until it's evenly distributed. It will dissolve completely once we add the water. Now add the drained rice and the partially cooked lentils and mix everything gently. Ensure that the rice and lentils are evenly coated with the onion mixture. Pour in 2 cups of boiling water. Now remember that the bouillon cube already contains salt, so only add additional salt if necessary. Bring everything to a gentle simmer, cover the pot and reduce the heat to low. From this point onwards, resist the temptation to stir. Stirring can release more starch from the rice and disturb the lentils. Just leave the mujadara to cook slowly for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. It is ready when all the water has been absorbed and the rice on the top is tender, fluffy and separate. Now turn off the heat but keep the pot covered. Allow the mujadara to rest for another 5 to 10 minutes before gently fluffing it with a fork. Transfer it to a serving dish and finish with a generous layer of crispy fried onion. These are not merely decoration, their sweetness and crunch are an essential part of the dish. I love to serve the mujadara with Greek yogurt and fresh green salad for a simple, satisfying meal. And if you want to keep it vegan, plant-based yogurt would be completely fine with this one. And if you enjoyed this simple, budget-friendly meal, subscribe to Nomadic Treats for more recipes from around the world. And if you want to know how to make mujadara's elaborate cousin, watch my Egyptian koshari recipe by clicking right here. Till the next one.